Hi everyone, I'm Michelle and welcome to this overview of real-time reporting in Adobe Customer Journey Analytics. If you've ever run a major promotion, launched a new product, or dropped a big campaign, you know how critical it is to see performance data right now, not 45 minutes or an hour later. Delays mean missed opportunities to adjust and optimize in the moment. Real-time reporting in CJA allows you to monitor and analyze key business metrics with under 10 minutes latency from data ingestion to reporting. You can apply powerful dimensional breakdowns, multiple visualizations, and hit-level analysis directly within Analysis Workspace panels with automatic refreshes every minute. These real-time insights can be seamlessly integrated into existing workspace projects alongside your broader customer journey and behavioral analyses. Real-time reporting is especially valuable during major events and enables teams to answer critical questions instantly. How is the big day or event performing right now? How does current performance compare to previous periods? How is a new product launch tracking, and how does it stack up against the previous one? It also supports validation scenarios, allowing you to quickly confirm, is the new customer journey functioning as designed? Has the new page launched successfully? And is customer data being captured correctly? Is a live media event running smoothly? Real-time reporting and customer journey analytics offers a modern, powerful experience compared to the more limited real-time capability in classic Adobe Analytics. Here's a clear breakdown of the key differences. User interface and experience. In CJA, real-time is a seamless mode within standard Analysis Workspace panels, giving you the full familiar workspace experience. In Adobe Analytics, it uses a separate legacy interface that lacks the full workspace capabilities. Analysis flexibility. In CJA, true hit multidimensional analysis. Use any number of visualizations, multiple dimensions and metrics, breakdowns, filters, segmentation, and attribution models all at once. In Adobe Analytics, you're restricted to a maximum of 3 dimensions and only a single metric. Cross-channel support. CJA natively supports omni-channel analysis in a unified view, whereas Adobe Analytics requires separate report suites for each channel, making cross-channel insights more difficult. Latency and refresh. In CJA, the approximate latency is under 10 minutes from data ingestion, with automatic refreshes thereafter every minute. While Adobe Analytics might have lower latency, the overall experience is highly constrained. Let's go to a demo. Here I am in a fresh Analysis Workspace project connected to a dataset with real-time enabled. First, I'll build a simple but powerful real-time view. I can use any dimension, metric, or segment I need, just like in standard Workspace. I'll start by dragging in the total revenue metric to the freeform panel. To make this visual, I'll add a line chart visualization above the table. Next, I'll enable the real-time refresh toggle at the top of the panel. Now the magic happens. Data refreshes every minute automatically. To get the detail I really want during a live event, I'll set the granularity to minute. Perfect! This gives me a clear view of revenue trending right now, minute by minute. I can layer on a segment as well to focus on a specific campaign or audience. Watch how the chart and table update instantly. I'll remove it for now to keep things simple. Moving to a second panel, let's look at something super relevant for our e-commerce marketers, a fallout report. Here I'll define the touch points that match our online checkout steps, starting from landing on the product page, through cart add, checkout initiation, and finally purchase. This shows exactly where customers are dropping off in real time during a promotion or launch. Incredibly useful for spotting issues fast and making quick fixes. Back in the first panel, I can add even more depth with breakdowns. Let's break total revenue down by marketing channel. Then I'll apply a minute-level granularity to those channels as well. See how flexible this is? At the top, you'll always see the last refresh timestamp, and the data keeps flowing in every minute. Compared to the real-time reporting in classic Adobe Analytics, this is a huge leap forward. Thanks so much for watching. Happy analyzing, and I'll see you in the next video.